Lovelies. Today's video is about online business growth tips, and at the end of this video we'll learn how to sell online, 6 sales skill fundamentals. So follow me as I go into this video. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, in order for you to get a chance for a weekly shout out and for YouTube to notify you the moment we post the video. Guys, the first we are talking about to drive sales, we know it's the price. Without the price, nobody will call you on the phone that they saw something you posted online and they want to get it. Price is extremely important. You don't need to like someone to buy something from them. Someone doesn't need to like you to buy something from you. As long as the price is okay for the person will definitely buy from you. So check your competition. Check the competitors around you. Know what they are selling. If a customer is telling you that I'm getting it at so rate, even if it is 500 naira difference, don't just discard what the customer said. Sometimes customers lie, but sometimes they are for real and they won't come back because of 500 naira. Yeah, some customers can be that petty. So check what your competitors are selling in case your supplier is giving you at a higher rate. Next we are checking out is your manners. Guys, sometimes you need to up your game when it comes to manners. Some customers can be outrightly rude. Yes, I know. They may see your number online and like, I saw your number online, give me your price list. A couple of people have done that to me. No! But it is your responsibility to train the person somehow by saying, good day ma'am, good day sir. Sometimes those things really matter. A customer has bought from me just because I said good afternoon ma'am. Because of that, she felt I had manners and she bought from me. She said the respect I had for her was what made her buy from me. So you don't need to think, oh, these customers can be outrightly rude. Sometimes you just need to, ease up on them. You are the one that wants to sell. They saw your number online. We sell online. We don't see these people face to face, but our manners can make them come back. Our manners can make them refer us to someone else. So please work on your manners. If you have someone representing your business, like a staff, train your staff. Give them orientation on how to treat customers, the kind of manner they're supposed to have towards their customer. Regardless of whether you're tired or not, if someone calls you on the phone or chats you up, please show some respect. The next we are talking about to drive sales online, to drive sales on social media, and to drive sales in our business is the I ordered it syndrome. Guys, some people are just so into this I ordered it syndrome that they can't get over themselves. Like you're selling something here, probably you ordered directly from China on mini importation, and you want to feel like an importer. You want people to know that, yeah, you order stuff to sell. Guy, you may be trading with 500,000 and your neighbor is trading with 50 million naira. By the time he's bringing in how many containers, you know how much he's going to buy it. It's going to be cheaper than the amount you bought it. If the amount you are going to get it in China will be the same amount that guy will sell to you, you better go and buy from that guy. Because before you clear and you do everything, it will make your stock expensive. The only difference is that, yes, it may be unique because you did your own directly. So don't sit on the I ordered it syndrome. Ride on the boats that others are riding. If you have the money, yeah, you can do that. You can make it unique, especially if you have a store. But if you don't have a store, get it from Mr. Chibuke that went to order from China. The most important thing is that it is a good product, it is a quality product, and you will make more money on it. The next we are talking about is branding. Branding is the way you present yourself, whether as a human being or as a business. Branding is so super important in our business, especially when we are doing the online business, the online sales. To push our sales, we need to brand ourselves. It has to do with your color, it has to do with the name you pick, it has to do with your logo. These things are important. You don't go blue today, purple tomorrow, black next tomorrow. Have a standard color you want to use for your business, something that is appealing to the eyes and something that is appealing to the ears. Okay, so know that it is what is appealing to people that they reckon with. So give your business a facelift that will make people want to ask you, what are you doing there? What do you sell over there? Okay, next is integrity. Do you agree with me that integrity is extremely important in business? In fact, in any relationship at all, okay? Now, you want to get reviews, right? Only when you do well is when you get reviews. That is when people will tell you, I'm giving you a customer. That is when people will refer others to you. Or at least that is when you can tell a customer, please, can you send me your review? Okay? So it is important for you to have integrity in business. If you don't have a particular stock, and you know that somebody is your regular customer, can you collect it from your business colleague, someone that does the same business with you, can you help the person buy and send it to the person at the same rate you would have sold? Don't think, oh, because I'm not going to gain anything from it, let him go and buy elsewhere. It is wise for you to hold down your customer. Help them to purchase it from that person and send it to them in order for them not to start going elsewhere. We all want our customers together in one place now. That integrity is what makes your customer know that, oh, this person really have my interest at heart. This person really takes this business seriously. Be sincere enough to tell the customer, I don't have it right now, but I have a colleague that has it and I can get it for you at the same price. Do you mind? That sincerity can make the person say, okay, can you do that? Are you sure the product is good? Yeah, I trust this person's product. Make sure it's a product you trust before you vouch for anyone anyways. Favor a hero. Thank you for joining our platform. Thank you for joining this family. We're always happy to have new people around us, among us. And be sure to keep watching our videos. Be sure to share it with others. We are rooting for you. The next we are talking about is sympathy. Guys, sympathy is always very important. Learn to show sympathy towards your customers. Sometimes it is so hard for them to bring out their money from their pockets to purchase those things. There's inflation on every product and it's getting increasingly high. It's getting worse every day. So sometimes they just need someone to feel their pain, someone they can relate with. So when a customer feels that you understand, believe me, they feel you're on their level, they'll bring out that money from their purse. Just try it out. When a customer feels that your product is expensive, not when you are trying to be a ripoff, okay? When truly prices go up and the customer is complaining, it has added 200 naira. I mean, oh God, I cannot buy it. Guys, calm the customer down. Make the customer understand. Just try this with your customer. Madam, in fact, I almost didn't buy it because the price is going up every day. And I just sympathize with the people using this product. But it's just that it's a quality product. That is the only reason. And I know that my customers that love quality products will always keep seeking for it. That is the only reason I had to buy it. I sincerely sympathize with you. Do you believe that that customer will actually cough out that money? The customer will open the purse and buy that product. It has worked for me. And it has worked for a lot of people that have suggested it to. People that seek my coaching on sales, it has actually worked for them. So try it. It will work for you as well. So in this video, we've been able to cover 6 sales techniques online. I mean, social media techniques. Please tell me that you've been able to increase your sales, improve your sales the next time we have a chat. And we'll be doing more on sales because it goes hand in hand with business ideas. To get related ideas on business, you can click the description below for more ideas. Make sure to subscribe in order to get a chance for a weekly shout out. Please do like this video if it makes sense to you. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. Someone may need it around you.